colder than usual. So we've got the gloves on. We've got about 3 jackets on as well. And it's time to get to work. This is a really fun move, a really good move for coordination, timing and whatnot. So let's go into it. The Bruce Lee step, how to go about the transition. The Bruce Lee step, named of course after the legendary master of martial arts. Decided to call it that really because I was trying to emulate the way he moves, but bring that into my RopeRage training.
Now that, let me see another one. You gotta involve your feet a little bit more. You see? Hand and feet. Gotta hand and feet.
And so I had to pay homage to Bruce Lee with this technique. Really cool technique for coordination, for timing. Let's go into it. Thank you to Monica for the request. It's an excuse for me to do one of my favorite techniques. So the Bruce Lee step, as I've said in the previous video, is an evolution from the boxer step. Very popular jump rope technique among boxers for working on the timing and for shifting body weight. First and foremost, with any footwork technique, we want to work on the feet without the rope. Throw the rope away and just focus on the footwork. Why? Because you want to get to a point where you don't have to think about the feet. If you're thinking about the feet and you're thinking about the hands, it's too much thinking going on. The reason why jump rope is a great technique for boxers to use is because you're working on your coordination. Your hands are doing one thing, your feet are doing another. If you get bogged down thinking about one or the other is going to fail at the expense of the one you're thinking about. So first you want to do away with the rope. Just work on the technique. With the boxer step, you do this as well if you're just learning the boxer step. With the Bruce Lee step or the boxer stance step, you want to do the same. Just work on getting comfortable with the movement. After that, when you're comfortable, you've done that for some time, get the rope involved. I think a really good thing to do is to start with the boxer step and then adjust into the boxer stance step, the Bruce Lee step, adjust into it, because it's good to get that rhythm going and then you feel confident enough to go into that. What we're doing here is we're taking the elements of the boxer step and we're applying a more side-on stance. But with this technique, there has to be a bit of separation between what your hands are doing and what your feet are doing, because you don't want your hands to track your feet. With the boxer step, you're shifting your weight from left to right, so your hands are of course at the left and the right of you. Because the boxer stance step is more side-on, if your hands track out with your feet, you'll end up with problems like this. You have to remember, as we discussed in the Redefining Rage training handbook, which took basically years of locking myself away with my ropes and training and working, the discoveries that I found and the little technical breakthroughs I had are all in that book. You have to think of your rope's rotation as a bubble. If your rope were to draw a line as it rotates, it would form a bubble around you. If your hands track with your feet, you're going to lose your bubble and you're going to have some difficulty jumping. So the hands must stay where they are. You have to maintain your bubble. It's just the footwork that changes, remember that. The transition. Now, transitioning from left side to right side. There are 2 ways to do this. The introductory way is to reset and then switch. So you're going from your side-on stance, you reset by coming to sort of a single under, both feet are on the spot, and then you just reset but on the other side. Ideally, you want to work up to being able to switch from left to right without that beat in between. key thing to remember here is, how are you distributing your body weight? If your body weight is leaned back, you're going to have a lot of trouble switching, as you can see here. The key that you're not able to see from a video, but that you will feel as soon as you start to do this, is you need to lean your body weight onto your front leg. That allows you to spring back and switch. It's as simple as that. Lean your body weight onto your front leg, switch back, and carry on. So that's it. That is the boxer stance step transition explained. I hope that helps you out, Monica, and anyone else who wants to try their hands at this or was having some trouble with this, let me know down below. Of course, let me know how your training is going in general. It's always great for me to catch up with you guys, see how you're progressing. I've been doing this stuff for about 5-6 years now, seriously. With me being on my journey, it's great to go along with some of you on your journeys as well. So let me know how you're getting on. Let me know if I can be of assistance in any way with your training. And I think that about covers it. I'm going to stop my rambling now. I need a shower. Appreciate you taking the time out of your day to check out this video. Until next time, all the best with your training and stay raging.